I need to draw an angle of a given measure 90 degrees and then construct an angle bisector to it. Now since a measure is given, I will need another instrument, that is your protractor. First I'm going to draw is the base ray. Using your scale, I have drawn the base ray. They have not told you a specific name, so I can use any name. I name this as L M. Now I'm going to place the protractor, the center of the protractor, on this vertex and make sure that the baseline is coinciding with the ray LM. I'm going to mark 90 degrees. I'm going to use a scale and I'm going to draw the angle. I'm going to name it as N. So I have an angle whose name is NLM. Now, by now you might be knowing that I need to use now is the compass. I'm going to open up to any span on the compass and mark two arcs. One that will intersect ray LN and the other that will intersect ray LM. Like this. The point at which it intersects ray LN, I'm going to name that point as A, and the point at which it intersects ray LM, I'm going to name it as B. Now I'm not going to change the span of the compass. I'm going to place it as the same, and now I'm going to place it at point A and mark an arc. Keeping the same span, I'm going to place a point B and mark an arc. I'm going to name that as R. Where the two arcs intersect, I'll name that point as R. I'm going to use a scale. Make sure that point R and point L are in line with the scale and draw the ray. Ray LR then becomes your angle bisector. This is your angle bisector. Now you place a protractor and you have a look at it. If you notice, this is 90 degrees and this is exactly at 45 degrees. So you have half the angle and another half the angle. The total is 90 degrees. And this is 45 degrees and this is 45 degrees.